Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to trim your video duration on iPhone. So you don't need to install the video editing application on your phone if you use these iPhone applications. So you just need to jump into the photo library, and after that you just need to choose the video that you want to trim. And whenever you already get the video, you just need to click it and then just go click this edit button. And whenever you arrive in editing button, you can see directly on this part. This is the project part that you can check the updates of your editing here, as well as the durations of the video that you have. So to trim it, you just need to take a look on this rows in the beginning of the clip and in the end of the clip. So if you want to remove the first part and trim from the first part, you just need to drag this part into the right side like this. But then if you want to make or cut the end part, so you just need to drag this part into inner side like this. You just need to adjusting the positions and give it check, for example like this. So you already removed several part in the beginning and several part in the ending. And when you already finish trimming your video, you just need to go click done and go click save video. And now you just need to wait until it's already saved, and here is the result. So that's the way how to trim your video only with your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.